What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, if you're familiar, then on 23rd of March, OnePlus is going to be conducting their overall event, and in this event, they are going to be launching the OnePlus 9 series. Well guys, we already know that the OnePlus 9 and the 9 Pro are going to be coming, but in addition to a brand new smartphone and at the same time their own smartwatch. Well guys, currently we only know that the smartwatch by OnePlus is going to be having a circular dial, and that too will come in two finishes. It will be silver and a black color variant. And other than that, the main focus of this particular video is the OnePlus 9R, because we all know that every year they launch two smartphones. First is the standard variant and the second is the Pro variant. Like let that be the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. But this year they are doing something different, and trust me guys, this particular change is very much important. Well guys, just you can completely correlate this exact lineup to Apple's iPhone XS lineup, because in 2018 when Apple launched the iPhone XS, they launched the XS, the XS Max and the XR. Like first of all, Apple was just innovating. They were just trying to make a budget friendly alternative, and the XR turned to be a huge success. It became so much successful that the next year Apple came with the iPhone 11, and now we are having the iPhone 12 and the 12 mini. So overall, Apple did this particular change, or they tried out something new, and it became so much popular, and there is no exception with the OnePlus 9R. The main initiative of this particular phone is to provide a gaming level experience in the lowest price possible, and the fun fact is that this particular phone is specially designed for the Indian audience, because believe me or not, but the majority amount of fan base of OnePlus is in India itself. Well again, there are people who will judge like OnePlus is a Chinese brand and we don't support it, and I pretty much agree to both of the statements. Like there is a feeling where I feel that a Chinese company is not that much welcomed in India, but at the same time like OnePlus is coming up with such a cool products that I'm kind of getting confused. Like should I be like a patriotic person, and at the same time should I be a tech reviewer? But right now I value the product more than anything. Well guys, talking about the OnePlus 9R, it is a very different experience. Well, OnePlus is not focusing on the overall body design. Of course, like it is a 2021 smartphone, so obviously the build quality will be at least acceptable, but their main focus is regarding the performance and the overall refresh rate, because with this phone they are trying to come up with a 90Hz or even a 120Hz display, and at the same time they are introducing it with 5G. Well, right now in India, people are more concerned about the longevity. Well guys, if they are buying a new phone today, then they want to use it for minimum 2 to 3 years. And we all know that Jio will come with 5G this year, and that's the reason. Like majority amount of Indian consumers are planning to buy their new phone as a 5G variant, and they might launch this particular 9R with the Snapdragon 870 5G processor, which is kind of like a successor to the Snapdragon 865. Well again, it is kind of a flagship level performance from 2020, so basically in 2021 also it is no problem at all. And guys, as of filming this video, it is not yet the launch date, so on 23rd of March OnePlus will launch all of their three smartphones. But the main curiosity is regarding the OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus 9R, because majority amount of people who are planning to buy the 9 Pro will not go for the OnePlus 9, whereas on the other hand, people who are confused between any mid-range Samsung phone or a mid-range Xiaomi phone, they will easily shift towards OnePlus, because there is a mindset. Like already in the Indian market, OnePlus has made this brand reputation. Well guys, there are still many people who actually don't get the overall company name, like what is this One and Plus. But the reality is, India is one of the most developing countries, and the special part or the best part about the Indian market is the rate of acceptance. Like right now, like in India, there are only like 300 to 400 million people who are using a smartphone. Like the majority amount of our population, the 60 to 70% population, are not even having a single smartphone. So all of these companies see this as a very big opportunity, because already like in majority amount of regions throughout the world, people are using smartphones. Well guys, India is the only nation where there is such a high amount of population, but at the same time there are so less phone users. Well, in India, companies like Jio, when they first popped out with such an affordable plan, it was a huge success. And that's the reason when Xiaomi came in India with their Note lineup, it was very much popular. And I'm pretty much willing to bet that this particular OnePlus 9R is going to be very successful, because what we want as Indians, we want a very capable device at the lowest price possible, and that too. Like, if you will get that device with OnePlus software, with overall theme, and at the same time if you're talking about 2 to 3 years of overall software support, then this is absolutely amazing. Well, right now we don't know about their price point, but I'm damn sure that this phone is not in the Nord lineup, so the price point might be around 25,000 rupees or even 30,000 rupees. But they are making it different. Like, OnePlus is trying their level best to keep their Nord lineup separated from their standard lineup. Well guys, with the help of this video, I just wanted to say that on 23rd of March, with the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro, we will also see OnePlus smartwatch and also the OnePlus 9R, and it is going to be a gamer-centric smartphone, and that's the reason you might see a 90Hz or a 120Hz high refresh rate display. And talking about the processor, then it might be the Snapdragon 870 5G processor. Well guys, I hope that this particular video was little bit helpful, and guys, let's meet after the event on 23rd of March. Well guys, thanks a lot for watching this quick video, and guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.